Hello everyone, welcome to the second video of the PySpark tutorial, and here I'm going to show you what actually the architecture of the PySpark and how it is getting designed. So as we are very much familiar with the Spark architecture, if you are not having any idea on the how the Spark architecture is designed, go to my Spark tutorial and from there you can be able to find it out. I'll be posting you the link for the Spark architecture diagram in the description. Now, it is also the similar architecture over here at what you are seeing at your screen. So here we are having the driver program through which we are making use of the Spark context, which is going to communicate with the cluster manager and which is going to communicate with the worker nodes as well. So what actually the cluster manager, what actually the worker nodes, and how it is getting related to the things that we are going to discuss in this video. So cluster manager, if you talk with respect to the Spark, we are having the different types of the cluster manager, like a standalone, we have the Apache Mesos, we have the Hadoop YARN, we have the Kubernetes. These are the four different clusters manager types, which is mostly wide used into the Spark productions level of the work. But for our local learning, we can make use of local instead of the cluster managers. So what actually the local it means everything will be running into your local system itself. No extra setups, nothing will be required. But same thing, if you are making use of the Kubernetes, then we have to deploy our applications through the Kubernetes, and we can be able to figure it out that if you want more details on the Kubernetes, go to my another playlist and you can be able to search over there. Then what actually Hadoop YARN. So Hadoop YARN is already, we have one playlist for learning Hadoop. You can go over there and have a detailed descriptions knowledge from that. Apache Mesos is also one of the cluster manager, which some of the companies are using now, but not used by so many people. And standalone. So it is one of the cluster setup way by which we can set up our cluster into easy way. So all these things you can be able to find it out inside the Spark. So I'm not explaining over here. You can just go through my other playlist. Then we have the PySpark modules and packages, how the PySpark is designed. So we have the couple of the modules like PySpark RDD, PySpark data frame and SQL, PySpark streaming, PySpark MLib for the machine learning, PySpark for the graph frames and resource, which is the new features introduced into the PySpark 3.0. So thanks for this session. We have like the PySpark setup into our machine into our next video. So stay tuned. Thank you.